live to China right now, so millions of fans on the internet are saying hi to you. Do you have anything you want to say to them right now? Because it's a huge coming out party for you, and we're very excited.
I appreciate all the love I get over there in China. And I'll be over there this summer, so I'll see you guys then.
And then we know that you've been playing amazing recently, and you're practically on fire. So we were hoping that you could say "I'm on fire" in Chinese. And then,
I don't think I'm on fire. I shot that last game.
So can you say "我火了"?
我火了.
That was great. That was great.
Right.
Well, thank you so much. Good luck.
Thank you.
We played against Oklahoma City the night before I had surgery. So I was watching and, you know, they was like, you know, you have a few losing seasons, you know, and you pick the right guys. Now you have, you know, 4 top 5 picks or whatever. But it's not just that. Those guys are playing hard on a nightly basis. They're playing together. And KD is a star. He's a star. And anytime you have a star like KD who competes at a high level night in and night out, you always have a chance to win.
A very bright future. I love the direction that they're going. I love what they're doing. Kevin's been great this season, and they continue to get better year in and year out. So they're heading in the right direction.
Have no backup option. This is the only thing for me, so I'm glad it worked out.